be goddamned, it's a tornado.
It's about to disappear. See the
Oh,
tail?
yeah.
He just got it fixed.
Yeah.
It looks like it's going.
It's going towards Buffalo, it looks like.
It touched down in KC.
Casey's on the way to Buffalo, way over there though.
Yeah. But that's where it touched.
That's the shrimpiest looking tornado I've ever seen in my life. Yeah. Oh, there's another one behind it. You see the dust coming up to the right hand side? Oh, it might be. I don't see the tornado anymore. No, it's still there. There's still a little strip coming up and down.
Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
She's got kind of a kink to her though.
Yeah.
I can't.
Oh, yeah. It's kind of like this.
Yeah.
Like a big turn. Well, as long as it stays over there, I'm okay.
Nice and beautiful over that way. Huh, Winston?
Cover, but it's like there's nothing there.
I walked over here and I saw that. Shit, a good one to get.
I was already here peeing on your lawn.
Yeah, I told Amber that it's dark on the other side.
Yep, she's still there. She's dissipating though.
Yeah. But it is not strong.
No.
Huh, Winston?
It could change almost
Winston,
the same.
you want tornado? Good catch.